Hello guys, good morning. Now it's 7:35, all fresh. Starting my day with this apple cider vinegar. Post which I'll head for breakfast. I really don't want to repeat the same thing time and again. I would say again and again in the same video. So it's better that let me head downstairs to have my breakfast, and then I'll get myself ready for office. Yes, most important thing here is like I need to travel all the way to. Basically, I need to go to office today. It's not a work from home work today. And from this amazing scene, or amazing place, I would say, a very good morning to everyone, and have a great day ahead. आप जिस टाइम पे भी देख रहे हो when you are watching this video, चलो I'll start the day. And unfortunately I could not get much time to play Hanuman Chalisa. I think after coming back from breakfast I will just listen to that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll have my apple cider vinegar now. Today I'm taking the stairs. Actually, I most often take the stairs to go downstairs. Basically to the ground floor to have my breakfast. Fortunately, our lift started working appropriately. I remember a few days back it was like even if you press 6th floor, it will land us in the 2nd floor. You can see that this light is still on. Now it's on. That's my breakfast for today. Chutney and small bonda. Hello, now it's around 10:15 and my roommate also came just now. So we are planning to start to our office together in next 30 minutes. I'll have my early lunch is what I'm thinking. Now it's 10:15. So we both will go for lunch, have our lunch, just a bit I would say, so that we don't feel hungry very early, and then probably in next 30 minutes we will start, get fresh and then start. So in the meantime I'll try to pack all my things such that once we are back from lunch we can simply freshen up and then go ahead. I'm so sorry for all of these, what we say, disturbance from quite some time, given that, to be very frank, I'm not feeling well and I don't want, today I did not feel like going to office. But yeah, nevertheless, today is a mandatory day, Tuesday and Thursday, so I'll have to. And from morning, I did some work as well. So I was supposed to add unit test for my recently merged changes with respect to the architectural changes of the Viewtify. So yeah, these are all the changes I have worked upon from 8:30. I was a bit stuck, but finally it had started working. I was just trying to fix this last test and then most of the things will be done. Probably after reaching office I'll try to learn few new things as well, given that from last 1 week I'm just working on the deliverables, so I'm planning to learn something new today. So that's the update with respect to my work. ठीक है. I'll show you the path on the way. Chalo, bye. Now the time is 10:52. I'm starting for office. I packed my lunch box as well over there. So it should take 30 minutes for me to reach. By 11:30 I should be there in office. And then start from office at around 5. Given that I have already started the work at around 8 o'clock. I was supposed to start early, unfortunately, because I was stuck a lot with respect to my deliverable, so it was a bit of delay. But yeah, nevertheless, now I can start. So after coming, I will try to clean this. After coming back home, I'll try to clean this. Okay. Now the time is 11:11. I have covered half of the distance. I think it should take more 15 minutes or so to reach the office. So usually I take the other route, in the sense other side of the road, and there is a small crossing over there where basically I switch from that road to this road. In the sense I come from that road to this road. But today I thought, since it was very empty roads when I initially crossed the road in the junction, so I thought let me just cross right away such that I don't have to worry about it in the crossing. Oh, sun started to shine. It's very sunny though. It doesn't look like a rainy season. I hope you guys can see that signal over there. So that is where I prefer going from that particular side to this particular side. Now it's 11:17. I am crossing this knowledge park. Always used to speak about. People take the footpath. This should have a basic sense. Now the sun is at its peak. If you see, no clouds protecting us. I'm just about to reach though. It is just nearby that particular location. So max it should take 10 more minutes to get inside the office. Footpaths are even not safe. What to say? From the shed you can understand the harsh sun. Like it is not even 12 o'clock, but sun is at its peak. And that's the government building of Karnataka. Not Karnataka, it's Telangana. To promote startups. You can clearly see government of Telangana over there, written over there. It's 11:23. I have reached my office. That's the entrance. Now it's 4:42. I have already basically I have started from my home. I think it should take 30 more minutes to reach. Again, I forgot to record the video, so I had to restart everything. So I was saying, if you check the junction here, look at the traffic in this particular junction. It's terrible. I am faster than those cars. At least today. I'm pretty much sure it will remain the same, or else it will be worse in some time, given that it rained, right? And I just before some time I was saying, like, the challenge will be to cross from this path, this road, this side to the other side. So I'm planning to stay in this side till the junction where the road to Mehendipatnam starts. So I'll remain in the same path. I think by this video, if someone is going through my video, they must be familiar with this particular route or path. It looks very beautiful. I'm just hoping that it should not start raining. Anyways, if it starts raining, I will have my umbrella. I'll take out my umbrella from the bag. Looks like it's gonna rain from the wind itself. Let's see, if I get a chance, I can cross in this particular junction as well. Let's see how the traffic condition is. For someone who has to walk, I think they should have constructed a zebra crossing or marked out a zebra crossing in this particular area, such that crossing path would have been very easy. They could have given some time for us to pass, but nevertheless, yeah, I think I can pass. Good. All good. So now I don't have to worry about any of the crossings. Hi. यार ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़ोर से हवा चला है यहाँ पे. Check these small, not small, these are very big trees. They are bent. Or probably I am observing it today. I'm not sure about it. Even I need to go through my previous videos. I haven't observed these trees. So if you remember, I was saying I was planning to go to the. I'm so sorry. I was planning to take that particular path and cross it in the junction. This is the junction which I was referring to. And fortunately, I got some space to cross that particular traffic. There is one more challenge. It's nearby my PG area. That's a big traffic, and we need to wait there patiently for our turn to cross. I'm very happy that my office is almost 2.5 kilometers from my PG. Given that I love walking down to my office. Yeah, let me shut down the video for now. So I was referring to this particular junction. I would have crossed from the other side to this particular side in this area. And if you observe, we don't have much traffic as well. Oh, there is a small change. people were trying to cross from that particular road to the service road. So what they did is they closed that particular part. I'll show you from there. It's like small barricades such that they cross from the other side. That's a very good initiative, given that every day we were facing some issues with the traffic in this particular junction. So now it is much better. Looks like it rained very heavily while I was in office. I think now it should take max 15 minutes for me to reach. Let me see. It is almost 5 o'clock now. Oh, it is just 5 o'clock. Nice. I assumed I started at 5. But yeah, when I started the video, you guys might have observed it was around 4:40. It feels really good now because of the rain. The only problem is my jeans will be dirty, very dirty. I need to get it washed, or else I'll try to keep my jeans a little up so that I can skip this all of these kind of things. One more interesting observation: if you observe, every 50 meters we will have some food outlet in this particular area. This I haven't observed till date. Like from almost 1 kilometer, I'm just checking the same. Look, there is one more outlet. So till this particular point, we have a number of outlets, food joints. You say it ready wala, but yeah, they prepare really well. The food itself is very tasty. And in this area, fortunately, there is no hygiene kind of concern. I think I'm almost about to reach the junction where I need to pass to the other side. So it will be a challenge. At that point of time, I'll prefer not to record. Once I cross that particular path, I should be able to reach my PG. I have collected the package, got this key. Oh, it's very dirty. I think tonight I'll wash my sandal. I'll do the unboxing first to check whether I have received everything or not. Again, the unboxing will be very messy given that I don't have a knife. So let's see, what do we have here? Oh, it's torn. Wow. I think with one hand it will be very difficult for me. So I'll do one thing, I'll pause it here and then open and show you across. I think I used these sort of products in 2011 to 15 in my engineering, post which I have never bothered about these. Finally I have received this. I don't know whether I would get some time to use this or not, but yeah, for now all good. I'll keep it inside. I'll have to throw this as well. Let it be here for now. Okay, I'll freshen up, have some food, and then probably I'll learn something. Chalo. See you in the dinner time. Hello. Now it's 8:30. I just wanted to share one small update with respect to my work. So in last 3 months, he has quoted almost 6,420 lines, and in last 1 week I have completed 6,592 lines. And most importantly, today I was learning something about organizing our code base. So though no one asked me to do it at this point of time after the office hours, but yeah, I thought why not learn something. So it was a new learning for me. I just structured the code like I tried to enforce certain rules in my code base such that anyone who is coding or want to contribute in this particular code base, they should adhere to the rules and regulations in simple language. So yeah, I'm done with this particular initial draft in which I have fixed a number of issues as well. So tomorrow morning I can start a bit late given that I have worked so much today. So tomorrow, given that today we have a match as well at 10 o'clock, so I'll try to get a glimpse of the India versus England series, and tomorrow I can wake up aram se without any concern that without having any what we say uh, without a heavy heart that today is not productive for me. So for office, in terms of office, so what I thought, why not learn something and at the end of the day contribute something in the code base as well. So these are all the changes I have done so far. So tomorrow I believe once this particular PR is merged, then we should have more than 7,000 lines of changes for as per my contributions in GitHub for my current organization. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Now I will be heading for dinner since it is 8:30. I'll lock everything. In the sense, I'll keep all those things inside, laptop and earphone, get ready for dinner, have my dinner and come back. Probably after dinner, maybe I can just go out, work for at least 1 or 2 kilometers and then come back. Given that I already worked for almost not four, it's almost 5 kilometers. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This I haven't created the PR yet. Given that tomorrow morning, once I start my work, I'll revisit everything, do a self review of the PR, and then finally try to incorporate if something I have missed out, and then create the PR. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Let's see what's there in for our dinner. Should be something bad, but it's okay. Hello guys, now it's 9 o'clock. I had an amazing dinner, I would say. It was potato with soyabean curry. Trust me guys, I had a lot of food, like beyond my intake. And reason is very clear. We oftenly don't get curries, right? But yeah, whenever you are getting something good, there has to be something bad, but it's okay. Part and parcel. So bad part was eventually, even I was speaking to other people as well. Eventually they are degrading the quality of food. In fact, the dal was only water. That's it. So it's okay. But curry was good. So I had 5 rotis. You won't believe, guys. I ate 5. If my wife gets to know this, she will be like, घर पे तो 2 से जान निकल जाता है, 5 कहाँ से? पता नहीं यार कहाँ से मेरे अंदर इतना भूख आ रहा है, एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. चलो कोई नहीं, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिए तो थोड़ा सा गलाना भी तो होगा ना, तो विल गो फॉर एटलीस्ट 4 किलोमीटर्स वॉक. ठीक है, यही है अपडेट. चलो मैं अभी थोड़ा घूम के आता हूँ 1 घंटा and then I'll do the editing and most importantly we do have a India versus England T20 match. So how much ever is it is possible मैं थोड़ा देखूँगा आज यार. आज बहुत काम कर लिया हूँ. मुझे आज मैच देखना है और वीडियो एडिटिंग करना है. बस इतना ही काम है. ऑल डन. चलो अब बाहर चलते हैं, देखते हैं हाउ हैदराबाद लुक्स लाइक इन द इवनिंग. चलते हैं. दिस लुक्स अमेजिंग नो. Oh, there is a Accenture office as well. Can you see this? That's a beautiful location. The small trees are looking so beautiful. I was just roaming around and found a small market over here. This looks very much similar to Beramguda market. I was casually roaming around and found this market. This looks like a very big market. This they are costing $70. Good to me. I think all of these are just $70 each.
पाव 20 आधा किलो 30 का ले लो 50 कितना 50
I don't know what's this. ये क्या है भैया?
आलू बुखारा बोलते हैं
आलू बुखारा है. कैसे किलो?
250 220 लगा था ले लो
ये कौन सा है?
तोतापरी
क्या क्या?
तोतापरी
तोतापरी. Hello, now it's 10:21. So went for a after night walk, after dinner walk, and got 1 kg of mangoes for me. Finally, after few weeks, I can have something good. I really miss my village at this point of time. We never thought about purchasing a mango and having, given that we have abundant in our hometown. I think you guys might have seen that particular vlogs where we were harvesting the mangoes with our bare hands, that too without any stick. So yeah, I'll enjoy this. Unfortunately, my roommate is full. He's not willing to have. So I'll have to have all of these at once. That is a tedious task, but I'll do it. If needed, I'll again go back to work for at least like 1 or 2 more kilometers. Let's see. Okay. See you. I think I'll end the video for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.